I know. And we gave him water. Is that what he wanted?
Oh my gosh. Now he wants food.
But we don't have food.
We need food.
Or does he want more water?
Yeah, more water. More water.
Oh, be careful because he doesn't like water, remember? I can't believe we fed a stray cat water.
Yeah. Water. Some water.
God.
Oh my gosh. Look, he loves me. Yeah. So cute.
I love him. I feel like we just did a lifesaver.
I think we're just lifesavers. I think we're his parents.
Yeah, I know.
I feel happy.
Yeah, I know.
I feel proud of me. You found the cat.
Yeah, and we put in water and he likes
We
it.
don't have a cat. I could take him home.
No, because he might have another owner.
We might have another one.
But you can still see my cat and this cat. Oh, he's so cute, drinking his little water. Oh. I feel so proud.
Oi, come here. We found the cat.
Come on, we found the stray cat and we're feeding him water.
We're feeding him water. He's thirsty.
Yeah, look at him.
He's got his phone and his video. We found the cat.
Yeah, but you need to go back and support your team that are playing cricket, and Ebony would like to bite back.
It's a stray cat and we were feeding him water.
I don't think it would be straight.